Good morning, students. Today we will start a new chapter, that is chapter 5, Nouns, Gender. Now see, we know that nouns can be divided into masculine or feminine genders. So, my dear students, nouns can be divided into masculine or feminine genders. Masculine gender represents males and feminine gender represents females. So masculine refers to males and feminine refers to females. For examples, see, the prince is masculine gender and feminine of prince is princess. Boy is a masculine gender. Now feminine of boy is girl. Now lion is masculine gender. Feminine of lion is lioness. Horse is a masculine gender and feminine of horse is mare. Now see, however, there are two more categories of gender. So there are two more categories of gender, that is common and neuter. Now what do you mean by common gender? Some nouns can be used to refer to both men and women. They belong to the common gender. Means the nouns that refer to both males and females, or you can say that both men and women. Okay, they are called common gender. For example, see, student, teacher, parent, doctor, driver, cousin, sibling, child, friend. All these are called common gender, are common gender. Some nouns are simply objects, neither male nor female. They belong to the neuter gender. So neuter gender means nouns that are simply objects, means they are neither male nor female. For examples, see, table, chair, ball, room, computer, tree, plants, flowers, fruits. These are neuter gender. Why? Because they are neither male nor female. So they belong to the neuter gender. Now see, formation of feminine from masculine means how you can change feminine formation of feminine from masculine, or you can change from masculine to feminine. Now see, some feminine nouns are formed from the masculine by adding the suffix ess. So we can change masculine from masculine to feminine by adding suffix. Means at the end of that word ess, sometimes with a slight change, or ine. So sometimes we can add ine, okay, to change it from masculine to feminine. As, see examples, poet. So feminine of poet is poetess. So poet here is masculine and poetess is feminine gender. Now here is masculine gender, here is feminine gender. Now see, lion. Now lion is a masculine gender and feminine gender of lion is lioness. So we are changing masculine to feminine, from masculine to feminine gender. Now prince. Feminine of prince is princess. Actor, actress. Actor is a masculine gender and actress is a feminine gender. So feminine of actor is actress. Hero, heroine. Emperor, empress. Shepherd, shepherdess. Now see, some feminine nouns are formed from the masculine by changing the prefix or suffix. So in some cases, if we want to change masculine to feminine, we add prefix or suffix, means both. For example, see, cock, sparrow, cock sparrow, hen sparrow. Now cock sparrow is masculine and hen sparrow is feminine. He goat, she goat, manservant, maid servant, grandfather, grandmother. Now here we are adding prefix, okay, to change it into feminine. And in this case we are adding suffix to change it into feminine gender. Landlord, landlady, milkman, milkmaid, billy goat, nanny goat, bull elephant, cow elephant. Okay, so in hen sparrow, she goat, maid servant, in this we are adding prefix to change it from masculine to feminine. But here the grandmother, landlady, milkmaid, okay, in here we are adding suffix. Again nanny goat, prefix, cow elephant, prefix. Now see, many nouns have different words for the masculine and the feminine. Now here the words are totally changed. Okay, when we are changing it from masculine to feminine. For example, see, boy, feminine of boy is girl. King, queen. Man, woman. Gentleman, lady. Husband, wife. Brother, sister. Uncle, aunt. Father, mother. Nephew, niece. Cock, hen. Bull, cow. Horse, mare. Dog, bitch. Okay, so in this feminine is totally, the words used in feminine is totally changed. Okay, when we convert or when we change from masculine to feminine, here the words are different, or you can say that we use different words, okay, for the masculine and the feminine. Now see exercise first. In this you have to see, identify the words if they are masculine, am, feminine, f, neuter, n, common, c, gender noun. Okay, now you have to identify the words and you have to write whether they are masculine, feminine, neuter, common, or common gender. Now see exercise 2. Rewrite the following sentences by changing the gender of nouns. Now in this sentence you have to change the gender only. Okay, you have to identify the gender from the sentence and you have to change that gender while you are writing the answer, or in the answer you have to change the gender. Now see first one, the mare was chasing the flies away with its tail. Now here mare is a noun and it is a masculine gender. So when you have to when you are going to write the answer, you have to change the gender. So feminine of mare is horse. Okay, so the horse was chasing the flies away with its tail. The ewes walked across the field in a line. Now feminine of ewes is sheep. The sheep walked across the field in a line. The emperor will arrive in the court shortly. The empress will arrive in the court shortly. So you have to complete this exercise. Now see in exercise 3, Write down the missing gender in the blanks. So you have to write the missing gender. Okay. Now here feminine gender is given. You have to write the masculine gender of this feminine. Step daughter. Feminine is stepson. Grandson, granddaughter. Ram, goat. Lad, lass. Milkman, milkmaid. Peacock, peahen. Deer, doe. Postmaster, postmistress. Fox, vixen. Station master, station mistress. Policeman, policewoman. Earl, countess. Landlord, landlady. Son-in-law, daughter-in-law. Horse, mare. So you have to complete the exercises in your book. Okay.